Today, we're looking ahead to what could be one of the most consequential and unpredictable UK budgets in recent years. After weeks of leaks, reversals, and internal political friction, we've reached budget week, with expectations running high and uncertainty even higher. Chancellor Rachel Reeves is preparing to lift public sector spending by roughly £15 billion. But that commitment requires funding, and the government is widely expected to lean on higher taxes for workers, pensioners, and homeowners. As we approach Wednesday's 12 p.m. announcement, markets are already positioning. Sterling, which has been trading in a stable range recently, slipped below 131 versus the US dollar in early Monday trading. It's not a dramatic move, but it does reflect a more cautious tone. Investors want to see credible numbers. If the government's fiscal plans raise doubts, UK bond yields could push higher as markets demand additional compensation for perceived risk. Higher yields generally weigh on the pound, so further downside for sterling wouldn't be surprising. Any negative reaction here would send a clear message. Markets aren't fully convinced by Labour's growth strategy or its ability to manage the public finances sustainably. The political backdrop only adds to the uncertainty. Key proposals ranging from inheritance tax adjustments to wealth taxes and pension reforms have been floated and then withdrawn following internal pushback. Narrative control has been weak, and heading into budget day, there's a genuine sense that the final package could hold surprises. Markets tend to react to uncertainty, and this is no exception. So the central risk now is straightforward. What happens if the Chancellor fails to convince investors on Wednesday? A budget heavily reliant on tax increases without a compelling growth plan risks sparking volatility across UK assets. Sterling, government bonds, and domestically focused equities could all come under pressure. This isn't a call for crisis, but credibility is a market driver, and right now it's under scrutiny. Overall, this sets the stage for a budget that could influence not only the next 12 months, but the broader economic and political trajectory of this Parliament. We'll be following the announcement live, and if you'd like a deeper breakdown once the Chancellor has delivered her statement, you can watch our full budget live stream at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, the 26th of November, or on demand on the XTB UK YouTube channel.